Bendant yn newyddion da bod y Steddfod wedi dod. Mae lot o bobl wedi dweutho fi bod nhw wedi mwynhau'r Steddfod, pobl oedd erioed wedi bod yn yr Eisteddfod o blaen. Lot o ddysgwyr hefyd wedi mwynhau mynd ar y bus neu ar y tren a clywed lot o Gymraeg o cwmpas nhw. A mae lot o bobl o Gaerdydd er enghraifft yn mynd ar y tren lan i Clwb y Font a lan i Steddfod y Rhondda yn Rheorci. Felly mae pobl yn sylweddoli bod y Rhondda ddim mor bell a bod mwy o bobl yn dod i'r ardal i ymweld a wedi mwynhau'r wythnos yn Steddfod.
I was surprised and delighted. My wife and daughter and extended Welsh family are all Welsh speakers, so I'm exposed to the language on a daily basis, and really pleased for my Welsh-speaking staff who really enjoyed serving their guests in the medium of Welsh throughout the Eisteddfod. As an Irishman, I know what it's like to be cleansed of your native tongue, so to see it celebrated by the young people of South Wales was amazing. In terms of the business, the week leading up was the busiest week we've ever had. Then we doubled it, so from that point of view, fantastic. It was certainly the most important thing that happened to us. I would say that, along with the support I had from Rhondda Cynon Taf in terms of getting the business open, are what have really seen us through the first year.
Before the Eisteddfod, there was a lot of preparation in terms of what we did at the branch. We did quizzes, you know, we made sure that we knew our financial terms in Welsh. We greeted everyone with the bore da. That's now integrated into us, so every time we say good morning to each other, we say bore da. The overwhelmingly positive amount of people that spoke Welsh surprised us all. We didn't actually know how many people in the Rhondda area could speak Welsh. For me, I've never used the Welsh language since school, so about 15 years. So personally, by the end of that week, I was fluent. So since the Eisteddfod then, we've seen lots of people as well conversing in Welsh with us, asking, oh, can anybody speak Welsh? And probably for me, giving me the confidence to ask if they speak Welsh as well.